Now, South African school children are touring the West, teaching pupils here how to sing. The children from KwaZulu-Natal are raising money for new classrooms in their village.
Well, Ali Bowles is live at Bath Community Academy for us this evening. Ali.
Oh, it's such a beautiful sound, David and Alex. I've been with the choir all day and they're just inspirational. Now, it's all part of Project Zulu, which was set up by a lecturer from the University of the West of England, and they've continued to support this charity. And the work has gone on to bring the children and the choir and their teachers over. They stay with host families and sound absolutely brilliant when they tour around the schools and other venues. Well, I spent the day with them. Just take a little listen and see what they're up to. Samu and Nondo are staying with Bristol rugby forward Nick Costa and his wife Jeannie. Favourites include Frosties and eggs on toast. The Costas are themselves from South Africa, but they say being one of the host families for their young visitors means they're teaching them so much.
To see them have a smile on their face and just absolutely love the small things in life has just been such a wake-up call, really, and it's put a lot of things in perspective for us.
It's definitely a working 3-week holiday for the 29-strong choir. First stop today, Bath Community Academy, for workshops and a rehearsal for the performance tonight. Over lunchtime, time to tell me their thoughts on the West Country.
They've got huge schools and nice schools also. They've got big buildings, which I never see in South Africa.
It's the cold weather and different things that are not there in South Africa, like big schools, and Bristol has a lot of traffic.
Cars, buildings, food.
Every performance just has so much energy. This afternoon, the choir inspired the pupils of Oldfield Park Junior School with their dance routines.
It gave me goosebumps.
So good. And they've got really good harmony and they can just carry on going for ages and ages. We think you're brilliant!
They've certainly won many fans with their performances around the West. When they bussed in Bristol City Centre last weekend, they raised almost £1,000 in 1 hour. Here, they're being the Guard of Honour at Bristol Rugby Club. Time off in Wales saw most of them go in the sea for the first time in their lives.
It will change their lives. They'll be different people altogether as they got this opportunity to come over here.
And this is what Project Zulu aims to do, change lives by the pupils themselves raising money for their school back in South Africa. They've already managed to buy solar panels for all the buildings. And this year the aim is to build new classrooms to ease the cramped conditions. The swapping and sharing of music and dance really does seem to work both ways. It's a joyous union of hearts and minds across 2 nations. You see what I mean? It's non-stop. They just sound wonderful. Now, they've already raised £13,000. Their big concert is at Colston Hall tomorrow, and they're really hoping they'll get to the £20,000 they need to build these 2 new classrooms. I think they really have, as I said, touched the hearts of everybody here in the West Country. Goosebumps, as that little lad said on our piece, is really the word that springs to mind. Anyway, without trying to give you an identity crisis, it's back to you, Alex and Sabette.
Oh, we barely noticed. Oh, and she got a round of applause.
And she got a round of applause for getting my name right. That's always a good thing.
Oh, thanks to Ali. That was brilliant.